Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make the Super Fudgy Brownies that require basic pantry ingredients. These brownies are perfect with a crisp crackly top, super fudgy center and gooey in all the right places. Trust me, you're going to want to make them. So first up, I got 250 grams of butter and I'm going to melt them. You can use a saucepan for this process, but I microwaved this for around 40 seconds. Into the bowl, add half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and stir so that there are no lumps. You can also use chocolate or dark chocolate for extra flavor. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel with the notifications bell turned on to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. And also make sure to like this video. Combine 1.5 cups of white sugar and mix it well. Crack 4 eggs into the batter and whisk everything. I would also recommend you to crack the eggs in another bowl and then add it into the mixture because it's easier to remove any eggshells if you have any. Once the egg is combined, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the batter, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure not to overbeat your batter once the flour is added in, because it creates air pockets in the batter which will give you cake-like textured brownies. Once all the ingredients are combined together, it's time to put it in the oven. So one important note is to not overbake them because they can turn out like cakes instead of brownies. I put mine in the oven for about 25 minutes. You can go a little over it if you want them to sit a bit more, but I do not recommend it if you're looking for fudgy brownies. And also remember that they will bake slightly in the hot pan once pulled out of the oven. And I use a baking paper so I can pull them out of the pan easier and place them gently on a cooling rack. I bake them brownies on the top shelf in my oven. The middle shelf cooks them a lot faster, slightly burns them on the top and dries them out a little. Your oven may work differently to mine. Apply some butter onto the pan and then put some baking paper on top of it. Now pour the prepared batter into the tin and tap it a few times. Also bake it for around 25 minutes into the preheated oven for around 180 degrees Celsius. Tap it a few times before placing it in the oven. Let the brownie cool for around 15 minutes before cutting it. I'm dipping it into hot water to cut the slices perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, go down below and give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below next to the subscribe button to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And I post every single week. Bye!